everyone, this is Tyra, and today on my channel I'd like to share with you some new tips I've learned about things that baking soda can actually do in your home for summer. This here is my free sample that I received from Arm & Hammer, along with the handy dispenser for the baking soda. The tools I'm going to need today is a bristle brush and a bucket of warm water. Today I'm going to be tackling cleaning my car mats. This is my cat Akila. You can see she's interested in helping. So today I'm going to actually tackle this car mat and show you what exactly baking soda can do and that it can do that. So I will be right back and we'll get it set up so you can see the action in itself. I've got my camera zoomed in so you can see the floor mat a little bit better. As you can see here, there's various stains, oil, grease, and grime. So I want to get this taken care of. And I'm going to start out with my handy dispenser. On one side, it's got a nice pour spout. So I'm going to sprinkle out some of the baking soda directly to these areas. Then I'm going to take my scrub brush and put it in the hot water. And I'm going to start scrubbing the stained areas to start getting those stains to lift. Now I'm probably going to have to do a couple of rinse and repeats because I do have some tough deep down stains that I'm working on. Going to add some more baking soda directly to the deep stained areas. One thing that you can do as well is if you go out to the links on my Facebook, you'll actually find more summer tips that they are sharing with everyone, so you can see what all baking soda actually does. See, a lot of these stains are becoming less apparent. The red stains in this area are practically gone. Just got to add a little bit of elbow grease. Okay, well, I'm going to go and take this for a first rinse, and I'll be back with you. Okay everyone, I'm back. I've done a thorough rinsing. As you can see, all the staining that was in here, all the grease spots and so forth are gone. There is some light dark spots that are still here that I'm going to have to do some targeted deep cleaning methods. But literally after one scrubbing, and these mats are actually 11 years going on 12 years old. They look fantastic. Very pleased with the outcome. I used about 1/4 cup of the baking soda, so when you put the price together, it's less than $1 to clean this. Very impressed. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. To this area, I need to do like a target kind of a paste for deep stains. So I'm going to do like a paste, put it in. I already color fasted it and it did not seem to be affected. One of my cats is curious. This is Sasha. And the good thing about cleaning with baking soda is it's non-toxic and safe for your family, kids and pets included. You want to help, Sash? Yeah. Okay, I think I got the area covered pretty thoroughly. So what I'm going to do now is let this soak for about 15-20 minutes and rinse it and do a little bit of scrubbing after I rinse it or while I'm rinsing it, and we'll see the outcome then. Okay, see you in a little while. Okay, I've done rinse number 2. I just wanted to show you an overall of the product. This is the mat after. As you can see, it came out really well. The only stain I can still see is this area right here, which has actually been a long-term stain for many, many years now, but everything else actually came out. So I'm very pleased.